No, I'm just on my place on because I was seeing the TV text to make them alive with KIDS cyan and magenta right now. I got a version if you'd like to see it. Hello everybody. Since the TV text is not alive for a long time, but today I'm gonna make the TV text alive. Watch this. And now done. You have to wait until you see. Hello everyone, we're here. So how's it going, guys? Nice to see you.
What about the line V?
Well, if you start Disney's Pixar TV Kids logo bloopers again to make the new logo better. So do you like it?
Yeah, who does it like to the new logo better? Right, Kay?
Alright, Isa, let's go to Oz house and see them too. Wow, that footage was so long. Anyways, let's just wait for O to come back and then we'll go to take 15.
Meanwhile, in the outer space far, far away,
Huh? Where am I?